We do an open Q&A in the PBT Institute where members get to ask me any questions. And there was a new member who had a question about confronting the affair partner. And already within a few weeks, she moved from stage 2 to stage 3. That's a very stage 3 thing. And while it may feel good in the moment, it's like, eating an amazing sundae, right? Or just whatever it is that is so short-lived. When it's over, you're not going to feel as good, but it will forever live on your resume. So although in stage 3, that feels like a really good thing to do, the stage 4 and the stage 5 version of you may not have chosen those same it may not have made those same choices. So I caution you with things that you're thinking about doing, which make total and complete sense to you right now. They may not make sense as you move through the stages. You are becoming physically, mentally, emotionally, psychologically, spiritually stronger, healthier, wiser, more evolved, all of it. And because you are intentionally and deliberately recreating yourself. So I caution you to do something that, even though it seems like the right thing right now, the stage 4 and stage 5 version of you may wish you didn't do it. So instead of spending the energy on the affair partner who doesn't deserve it anyway, spend that same energy on you, moving you to the next stage so you see for yourself the best decisions that serve you best. So where is your energy best spent? Moving through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. Consistently. And I have been coaching for over 30 years. And if I know one thing, it's this: your decisions come from a better place when you're healthier, stronger, wiser. So that's where the energy needs to be spent. Hope that helps. Follow for more.